One day, memory stopped being something we simply remembered and became something we could upload. It sounds like science fiction, but this future is already under construction. Hidden inside laboratories around the world, engineers are building artificial memory. Not a computer memory, but human memory rewritten. The idea is simple, but terrifying. What if you could remember everything forever? And what if those memories were no longer entirely yours? This is the rise of implantable artificial memory, and it could redefine what it means to be human. But before we understand the future, we need to understand the problem. Millions of people lose their memories every year. Diseases like Alzheimer's disease erase identities piece by piece. Names disappear, faces fade, lives dissolve. Memory is not just data. It is identity, emotion, and meaning. Losing memory means losing yourself. And for decades, medicine had no real solution until technology entered the brain. Quietly, a revolution began, and it started with one question: what if memory could be decoded? Inside the brain, memories are electrical patterns. Patterns that can be read and possibly rewritten. Scientists discovered that memories follow repeatable signatures. Capture the pattern, and you capture the memory. This led to neural implants capable of recording brain activity. Companies like Neuralink are pushing this frontier. Tiny electrodes interface directly with neurons, reading signals in real time, writing signals back into the brain, creating artificial recall. This is not theory anymore. It is already being tested, and the results are astonishing. Patients with memory loss are beginning to recall again. Lost memories partially restored. Even damaged brains can relearn. The implications go far beyond medicine. Imagine learning a language instantly, or uploading years of knowledge in minutes. Education could be rewritten. Skills could become downloadable. Human limits could shift. But with every breakthrough comes a shadow. Who controls your memories? If memories can be written, they can be altered, or even erased intentionally. Privacy becomes fragile, security becomes critical, and identity becomes negotiable. Could false memories be implanted? Could reality be rewritten? These questions are no longer hypothetical. They are urgent. Memory defines humanity. It shapes decisions. It builds relationships. It creates history. Changing memory means changing everything. Entire societies could evolve differently, or fracture in new ways. Access to memory enhancement may not be equal, creating a new kind of divide, a cognitive divide. The technology is still young, but it is accelerating fast. Investment is growing globally. Research is intensifying, and breakthroughs are coming closer together. What seemed impossible 10 years ago is now real, and what seems impossible today may arrive sooner than expected. So what happens when memory is no longer natural? When remembering becomes optional? When forgetting becomes impossible? The answer is still unknown. But one thing is certain. We are no longer just remembering the future. We are building it inside our minds.